What is up, guys? Today I'm showing you how you can get Pokemon Go spoof menu with so many features like joystick, auto walking, nearby radar, coordinates feed. What else? Feed radar, I already said that. Fast catch trick and like much more, but the most important thing is the anti-ban. So as you can see here, it's always on, so this means that you cannot get banned, which is pretty good for you or for anyone that will be using the menu, and I'll show you right now how you can get it. Okay, so first things first, what you do basically is, I guess you can close up. As you can see here, it's pretty normal Pokemon Go, nothing special. You go into settings, then once you're in settings, you go into general. This is for iOS users, but it's available for Androids as well. You go into background app refresh, then again background app refresh, and make sure to put it on Wi-Fi and cellular data. I don't know how to pronounce the third word here, but make sure to put it on the third option. And for Androids, you gotta go into battery and disable power saving mode off and low and ultra power saving mode off. And once you've disabled it, you're pretty much good to go. You can go ahead and basically download the app. From where? So you can download it from this website, which is called Pokemonify. I'll see it right now. I don't know, it kind of froze for me a little bit. Pokemonify, Pokemonify.com. As you can see here, for me it showed up because that's where I've gotten it from. And basically Pokemon Go Spoofer, 107 megabytes. Obviously Pokemon Go Spoofer is a tweaked version of Pokemon Go with a lot of spoofing features. And here basically, if you're an Android user, you're using it for Android. If you're an iOS user, you're using it for iPhone user. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.